Welcome class 12 to the accountancy class. In continuation with chapter 4, change in PSR, today we are going to take up revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. Okay, we are going to understand the practical question, that is the journal entries based on the concept revaluation and reassessment. Before that, we should have a brief idea about what is revaluation and what is reassessment. Okay, when there is change in PSR, then assets are revalued and liabilities are reassessed because they relate to the period which is before the change in PSR. Okay, now when the revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities done, then partners may decide either to record the revised value of assets and liability in the books of firm, or they might decide not to record the revised value. The accounting treatment will differ because their decision may differ. Okay, so the first is when revised value of assets and liabilities are to be recorded, they are done through an account which is named as revaluation account or profit and loss adjustment account. Increase in asset, decrease in liability, unrecorded assets are shown on the credit side of revaluation account. Similarly, decrease in asset, increase in liability and unrecorded liability are shown on the debit side of revaluation account. Okay, now one important concept relating to revaluation is that suppose expenses are there for reconstitution of firm, and for that remuneration is paid to partner, then revaluation account will be debited and the concerned partner's capital account will be credited. Suppose the expenses were to be borne by the partners but have been paid by the firm, then concerned partner will give back. That means his capital account or current account will be reduced or debited and cash or bank will be credited. When expenses are incurred and paid by the firm, then it relates to the expense of the firm, and as such revaluation account will be debited and cash or bank account will be credited. That means in brief we can say that in revaluation account on debit side, all the amount that has to be borne by the firm will be recorded. It might be remuneration, it might be any other expense. Okay, gain will be when credit side of revaluation account is more than the debit side. Okay, and last thing that you have to remember relating to revaluation account is that if revaluation account is prepared, then assets and liability appear in the balance sheet of firm on the revised value. Correct? Now let us start with question number 21. I read the question briefly. You are given a balance sheet of firm in which Ashish, Akash and Amit are partners. They are sharing profit and losses equally. Okay, they have general reserve 90,000, then they have advertisement suspense 6,000, then there are transactions relating to reduction in stock, reduction in value of machinery, appreciation in the value of land and building, provision for doubtful debts on debtors, and reconstitution expense to be borne by Akash, one of the partner, for a remuneration of 10,000. You are supposed to find out the journal entries. So let us start with the first one. Well, we should know that general reserve, if there is no such a case where the general reserve would be utilized, then it would be credited to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. The old profit sharing ratio was equal, so 1/3 of 90,000 Ashish will get, 1/3 Akash will get, and 1/3 Amit will get. Okay, so this is the first entry for transferring the amount of general reserve. It would be credited to partners capital account. Now advertisement suspense, we all know that this is a deferred revenue expenditure and the amount is 6,000. Now the expenditure would be borne by the partners. Okay, the balance sheet is showing 6,000. Okay, so now it would also be borne equally by three partners, Ashish, Akash and Amit, in their old profit sharing ratio. So 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, each capital account will be debited. Okay, now next is relating to, I told you there is reduction in value of stock, and it has to be reduced to 1,25,000, and in balance sheet the stock is shown as 1,40,000. So 15,000 less, decrease in asset is credited, and it would be credited to revaluation account. Okay, so revaluation account debit to stock account. Machine account has to be depreciated by 10%. 10% of 2,50,000 is 25,000. Provision for doubtful debt has to be provided on at the rate of 5% on sundry debtors, and debtors are 80,000. So that comes to 4,000. So revaluation account will be debited, and stock, machine and doubtful debt provision will be credited. Okay. Then the next fifth entry is related to the appreciation in the value of land and building, and that is by 62,000. Okay, in balance sheet we have shown 4 lakhs, and it has to be appreciated by 62,000. So in new balance sheet you will be showing 4,62,000 as the revised value. Correct. Then remuneration, Akash will be paid remuneration for revaluation. Okay, the work is going to do. So revaluation account debited because it is the expense related to the firm, and Akash will be given, so his capital account will be credited. Then next and the last is, you have to find out the difference. Okay, the result of revaluation, and then you have to credit the amount of revaluation that is not clearly shown. So the revaluation result is 8,000. Okay, so this is the profit of revaluation, 8,000, and it would be credited equally in their old profit sharing ratio, which is 1:1:1. 267 267 I have given to two partners, and one partner I have given to 2,666, so that the total is a round figure. Okay, come to the next question. ABC are three partners, their old profit sharing ratio is given, and their new profit sharing is also given. Okay, then again you are given a balance sheet in which you have general reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, and advertisement suspense. For that 3 entries will be passed. General reserve is 60,000. No information is given regarding general reserve, so it would be credited to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio, which is 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. Okay, investment fluctuation reserve, for this there is information that investment fluctuation reserve as shown in the balance sheet is 30,000. Correct. Now out of 30,000, investment has declined by 10,000. See, investment shown in the balance sheet is 1 lakh, and in bracket it is given market value 90,000. So 10,000 decline, it would be met from investment fluctuation reserve. Now how much amount is left? 20,000. Now 20,000 would be credited to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio, which is 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. Okay, now now the entry relating to advertisement suspense, it is a deferred revenue expenditure, so it has to be borne by the partners, and that again it will be they'll bear in old profit sharing ratio, which is 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. Correct. Then revaluation, on revaluation the value of land and building has declined, okay, by 17,500, and provision for doubtful debt has to be provided on sundry debtors 50,000, and 50,000 5% is 2,500. Okay, land and building value has decreased by 5%, and this also 5% on 50,000. Okay, so the decrease in asset and increase in liabilities are debited to revaluation account. Correct. Next, this is the machine account, the motorcycle account, and creditors account. They are in creditors are not payable, hence it has been written off. Value of machine has increased by 5%. So 5% you are supposed to find out on 2,40,000, that comes to 12,000. Motorcycle was unrecorded, so it will be debited now, and there sundry creditor claim will not arise, so it will be debited. Okay, then revaluation, next entry is about revaluation expense which will be payable to C. Okay, now share of goodwill, that is 15,000. Goodwill is valued at 15,000. Now how you got that, you have to add the 3 years result. Okay, first year was 50,000 loss, in second year was 2,50,000 profit, and third year was 2,50,000. You have to find out average, multiply by 2, and then you have to show the share of goodwill. Okay, then goodwill will be adjusted, then revaluation result will be credited to partners capital account, then we are going to show revaluation account. Okay, this is here this was gain 17,000, so it has been debited. I hope you have understood by all of you.